Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Reversing an array in Java is a classic coding challenge that you can master quickly. Let's find the correct loop condition and swap expression together. To reverse an array, each element at index k must swap with the element at the opposite end. That specific index is always the total length minus k minus 1. Let's go. The loop should run only until the middle of the array. If you go further, you will swap everything back to the original order, which we definitely want to avoid here today. We need k less than length divided by 2. Combining these logic parts makes option C the only correct choice for our code. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing to prevent mistakes. Trust the logic and check your steps.